The Indian Air Force, IAF, is taking significant steps to outsource some of its maintenance and overhaul (MRO) operations to the domestic industry for the first time. This initiative includes supporting private players in developing expertise to manage facilities such as back shops and aircraft body paint shops at its base repair depots, BRDs. The goal is to reduce reliance on foreign original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, boost self-reliance, and tap into the global MRO market, which is projected to grow from $49.1 billion in 2023 to $66.2 billion by 2030. The Indian MRO market itself is set to grow from $1.7 billion in 2021 to $4 billion by 2031, as per a new Retired Air Marshal CR Mohan highlighted how the IAF will retain control over climate-sensitive areas, non-sensitive operations for local or industry partners. To address challenges like low volumes, high variety, and certification demands in military MRO, the IAF plans to leverage its technology and facilities to incubate private players. Approximately 80 outsourcing cases have been initiated since 2022, with contracts for Mi-17 helicopters, MiG-29 fighter jets, and 32 transport aircraft at various stages of approval. Some contracts, such as those at the 9 BRD in Pune, are already underway. One notable project includes dual-purposing heavy aircraft maintenance facilities at Indian Air Base to allow private airlines to repaint aircraft domestically instead of abroad. 11 industries have expressed interest, and request for proposals, RFPs, are expected to be finalized within 6 months. This collaboration is not a revenue-generating model but aims to reduce costs and benefit both the IAF and indigenous partners. Immediate outsourcing opportunities include ground equipment maintenance and supply chain management. If you really enjoyed the contents of this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel.